From Caterpillar to Butterfly, Following the Life Cycle by Suzanne Slade, illustrated by Jeff Yesh. Colorful flyers. Butterflies fill our sky with beauty. Some butterflies are large, others are small. These insects have colorful wings that may have stripes or spots. There are at least 15,000 different kinds of butterflies in the world. All butterflies go through the same stages, or steps, in their life cycles. Let's follow the life cycle of the monarch butterfly. The amazing monarch. The monarch butterfly is a strong flyer. It can stay in flight for a long time without resting. Some monarchs can easily soar thousands of miles during a lifetime. A monarch does not start out with its powerful wings. Like all butterflies, a monarch goes through many changes before becoming an adult butterfly. Some monarchs travel as far as in the beginning. Butterflies go through 4 stages during their lives. These stages are egg, larva, pupa, and adult. A monarch butterfly begins its life as a tiny egg. This is the first stage in its life cycle. Adult butterfly. Egg. Larva. Pupa. The word metamorphosis means change. Butterflies go through complete metamorphosis because they change a great deal during their life cycles. Some insects, such as grasshoppers, do not change as much. Their metamorphosis is called incomplete. Tiny eggs. A female monarch lays her egg on a milkweed plant. She usually sticks her egg to the underside of a milkweed leaf. Soon a tiny insect begins to grow inside the egg. Like most butterflies, monarchs lay 1 egg at a time. An egg is less than 1/25 of an inch, 0.9 millimeters wide. That's about the size of a pinhead. Larva. Depending on the temperature, a larva hatches from a monarch egg in 4 to 6 days. The larva is also called a caterpillar. It eats the soft shell of its egg. Then it begins to munch on milkweed leaves. A caterpillar grows for at least 2 weeks. If the temperature is low, the caterpillar may take longer to grow. When the caterpillar grows, it sheds its tight skin. First, the caterpillar attaches one of its ends to a milkweed leaf or vine. Next, the caterpillar's outer skin breaks open, and the pupa begins to come out. Pupa. A monarch caterpillar sheds its skin 4 times. After shedding its skin the 5th time, the caterpillar becomes a pupa. The pupa covers itself with a liquid that turns into a hard shell. The shell is called a chrysalis. Inside the chrysalis, wonderful changes take place. Once inside the chrysalis, a pupa turns into liquid. Only its organs remain. This liquid forms the butterfly's new parts, such as the body, legs, and wings. Taking flight. In about 2 weeks, the hard chrysalis begins to open. A new butterfly comes out of its shell. Then, the butterfly unfolds wet, wrinkled wings. It waits for them to dry. The butterfly has a proboscis, or long tube. It will use the proboscis for feeding. The proboscis is in 2 pieces. The butterfly must fix the 2 pieces together before it is ready to fly. After about an hour, the beautiful butterfly flutters into the sky. The proboscis is located on the butterfly's head. After landing on a flower, the butterfly unrolls its proboscis. It uses its proboscis like a straw, sipping nectar from the flower. Seeing the world. The monarch begins a new and exciting life as a butterfly. It no longer spends all of its time on a milkweed plant. Instead of munching on leaves, a butterfly flies from flower to flower. It drinks a sweet liquid called nectar. The nectar is found inside the flowers. Monarch butterflies cannot survive in cold places. North American monarchs fly south to find warm weather before the cold winter arrives. Some kinds of butterflies hibernate or sleep for the entire winter. Others die because of the low temperatures. The cycle continues. Monarch butterflies that come out of their chrysalises during the months from December through August live for only about a month. Those that come out in late summer or fall can live for 8 to 9 months. During this short time, a monarch searches for a mating partner. A male monarch often gives off a special smell to get a female's attention. After mating, the female finds a safe place to lay her egg. This tiny egg begins a brand new life cycle. Soon, another beautiful monarch butterfly will take to the sky. Depending on the type of butterfly, a life cycle may be short or long. For example, a short life cycle is about 8 weeks long. A longer life cycle may last more than 6 months. The longest life cycle for a butterfly is about 18 months.